Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua that is from Surah Sajda, ayat number 12. This dua is very important because this dua will be requested at the day of judgment before Allah from those people who will be criminal. Criminal mean all those people who will be sinful, including all non-Muslims and Muslims also. So this way, this is a golden chance for all of us who are non-Muslims. They should accept Islam and request Allah that we are obedient, and we will be obedient, inshallah. And because we have seen this world, we heard this world, we understand everything, so we will do good deeds in our life, because we got, mashallah, the best precious thing of the world, that is favorite guidance blessed from you in the form of Iman. So this way we have this Iman, so inshallah we will do good things in this life, so we will be successful in this world and the world hereafter. And the people who are sinful, who are doing bad deeds, they must bow down before Allah, do tawbah astaghfar, then request Allah with this dua. Inshallah, they will get to Allah's blessings and mercies, and life in this world and the world hereafter will be better. Because if you look at the beginning of this ayat, ayat number 12 of Surah Sajda, Allah said, Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Walau tara, and if you see, Izil mujrimuna, when the criminals, nakisu, they will bow down, rausihim, their head, in the rabbihim, before their Lord. So at the day of judgment, this is the depiction, the whole representation, the situation where the criminals will be at the day of judgment before Allah. So they will bow down their head and they will say the wording, Rabbana, O our Lord, Absarna, we have seen everything, all the reality, because they have seen that the people are going to the hell, people are going to paradise, and whatever situation will be there, everything will be before them. Wasamena, and they say we heard, because whatever we heard in the world, now it is true because we have seen with our eyes. Farjena, so please send us back to the world. Namal salihan, we will do good deeds. Inna muqinun, indeed we have now complete and concrete belief. So our Iman is now strong. So this is the request to what they will say at the day of judgment. But if we in this world, we people who are sinful in this world, all the people who are criminals, criminals are those people when they are doing any sinful act, and after that they explain that sinful act before other people. So the other people, they become the witness. When the witness is possible, then the sinful act becomes a crime, and crime will be forgiven when the punishment will be given to that person. So this way criminals will get the punishment. So same like that, some people, when they do something, other people are watching. It means they are witness. So any type of sinful act that have been watched by other people, so they will be the witness of that. And same sometime the people, they do sinful act, this sinful act is explained by that person before the people, so those people, they will become the witness of that person's sinful act. At the day of judgment, these people will be called criminals and will have to take the punishment, and hopefully they will get it. So hopefully we think that with the mercies of Allah, we are requesting now those people who are sinful. We are also all sinful people. We try to request Allah. First of all, we bow down before Allah and request Allah. Rabbana, O our Lord, Absarna, we have seen this world. This is only a test and trials. Wasamina, and we heard what will happen in future, the paradise and the hell, for the reward of good or bad. So we understand, we have seen everything, we heard everything. Farjina, so we request to you, Farjina, and to you send back us towards good people, towards your favorite people, towards nice people. Na'mal salihan, so we will do good deeds. Inna muqinun, because we are believers, we got the strong iman. So this type of dua, when we request after Tawbah Astaghfar, InshaAllah, Allah will fix for us the line of Sirat Mustaqim, and then InshaAllah we will get success in this world and the world hereafter. We have to repeat this dua. Rabbana absarna wasamina farjina namal salihan inna muqinun. Rabbana absarna wasamina farjina namal salihan inna muqinun. Rabbana absarna wasamina farjina namal salihan inna muqinun. O our Lord, we have seen and we have heard. So return us, we will do good deeds. Surely we are believers. We have now strong iman. So InshaAllah, when we try this dua, so this dua is a special dua for the criminals. And we all are criminals, because we sometimes we can say whatever we do, the bad act, we say to the other people also. So that time, those people, even the angels are listening, and even some jinns are listening, they will become the witness. At the day of judgment, we will be in the criminals. So this way, best for us is to do Tawbah Astaghfar and request Allah with this dua. Rabbana absarna wasamina farjina namal salihan inna muqinun. InshaAllah, Allah will accept our apologies, our request for forgiveness, and will open the door of mercies for us. InshaAllah, then we will be successful in this world and the world hereafter. InshaAllah. Ameen.